On the Ickonic .Connect the News show this week, she's gone. The most authoritarian Prime Minister in New Zealand history has resigned, and the people are distraught.
And so today I'm announcing that I will not be seeking re-election, and that my term as Prime Minister will conclude no later than the 7th of February.
Yep, and I'm heartbroken as well. Also on the show, it's been Martin Luther King Day this week, and yet the people in authority that claim to celebrate him would now, if he was still alive, be trying to silence him. Same with Gandhi. And then we have the UK TV host Jeremy Clarkson, who used to speak his mind and now speaks his apologies, one after the other after the other. What a shame. Another one bites the dust. That's the Ickonic .Connect the News show from 10 a.m. UK every Saturday, and you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.